Hi guys, welcome to Fancy Akinyi's kitchen, and today we are going to make kachumbari. So this is how it turned out to be, and it was giving, guys. Kachumbari is a very famous salad in Kenya, and you can actually eat it with smoky pasua, nyama choma, pilau, and it can also act as a salad. Kachumbari is a very easy salad to make. You actually don't need so many ingredients. Personally, I use dhania, tomatoes, onions, lemon, salad seasoning which is optional, salt to taste, and vinegar. You can check the list of ingredients in the description box below. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video. I started off by chopping the onions into smaller chunks. You can actually cut it into your preferred sizes. Then I soaked the onion in warm salty water to remove the bitter taste of the onions and set it aside as I worked on other ingredients. Once done preparing the ingredients, I mix them in a bowl. Once everything is mixed nicely, I covered it with a cling film, or you can use a tin with an airtight lid, and then I set it aside in a cool place, or you can use a refrigerator. Kachumbari is well served when chilled. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.